Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about equally likely. In that, coin, one coin, two coins, three coins, and a die. Like that only. Okay, we'll discuss today playing cards. In that playing cards, total number of playing cards are 52. Okay, total cards are 52. Next class I will show total cards for you. Just to now present explaining. Okay, total cards are 52. Okay, in that 52, 26 black cards, 26 red cards, 26 black, 26 red. Okay, in that 26 also clubs 13, spades 13. Clubs means like this shape, black color will be this two, black color will be these two, hearts as well as diamond red color will be. Okay, so clubs are 13, spades are 13, clubs are 13, spades are 13. Now black cards 13 clubs, 13 spades, 13, 26. Okay, same like that only here also. Heart cards red color, heart cards 13, diamond 13, 13 plus 13 26. Okay, 13 and 13 26. In that individually, here also 13, here also 13, here also 13, here also 13, total 52. Okay, in each 13 total cards we know 52. In that each 13 cards, maybe you should take any 13 clubs or any spades 13, any heart 13, any diamond 13. In that one A will be, okay, one A will be, means A, here also A there, here also A, here also A, here also A. How many A? A means like also or yes, also or yes, means total A's are, total asu are 4. Total asu are 4. One club as, one spade as, one heart as, one diamond as. Total asu are 4. Red as are 2. Black as are 2. Club as is equal to 1. Spade as is equal to 1. Heart as is equal to 1. Diamond as is equal to 1. Individual means total A's are 4, red A's are 2, black A's are 2, club A's means this shapes are 1 will be. So A's are or A's are 4 will be. Okay, next number cards, one not there, 2 number cards, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, J, K, Q, J, K, Q, Jockey, King, Queen, face cards. These are face cards. Jockey, King, Queen. Okay, here how many? Here also 3 jockeys. Here jockey, king, queen. Here also jockey, king, queen, means 3. For this we are calling for them face cards. Jockey, king, queen. So face cards here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3. Total face cards. Total face cards 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12. Total face cards are 12. 12 plus 4 16. 12 plus 4 16. So in 52 16 subtraction doing means remaining are 46. 46 36. 1 went to remainder will be 1 went to C, 1 went to 4 minus 1 no 36. 36 cards. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In here also 9, here also 9, here also 9, here also 9. Number cards are in each club 9, spades 9, heart 9, diamonds also 9. 9 4 jar 36. Okay, 9 4 jar 36 will be. Number cards are 36. Number cards are 36. A's are 4. Number cards are 36. Face cards are 12. Total 52. Okay. In that, okay, see, in one part taking means, in that total 13 may be heart. In that 9 number cards, 3 face cards, 1 yes, total 13. Okay, in that 13 in one group, total one group may be heart, maybe clubs, maybe diamond. In the total 13, 1 is yes, 3 face cards, jockey, king, queen. 9 are numbers, means like 2 3 1 are there, we are taking for at the time of playing here as a 1. So 2 3 4 5 like that will be. Okay, total in that 13. Total A's are 4. Red A's are 2. Black A's are 2. And separate individual. Club A's 1. Heart A's 1. Like that different will be. Number cards total 36. Red number cards are 18. Black number cards 18. If that individual means 9 will be 9 heart, 9 clubs, 9 spades, like that will be. Like that only face cards total 12. In that 6 red cards, 6 black cards. In that 3 will be heart 3. 3 face cards means 3 will be clubs 3, heart 3, spade 3, like that will be. Okay, and next see, here we will discuss uses of probability in our life. Use is there or not? Probability use is there or not? Use is there. They given like this. Here see, main see in this department say whether by observing trends from the data collected over many years in the past. For example, what happening our population is every year increasing. Now 150 crores saying, now our population, our Indian population is 150 crores saying. Okay, past 5 years what happening? Every year population is increasing. After what happening? In calculations we are seeing, newspapers we are seeing, television also we are seeing. After 2020 or after 2030, after 2035, 2035, India will overcome the population of China. Okay, like that they will say using this probability. And after food grains last year which like will be how many hectares? Okay, paddy will be how many hectares? this food grains will be. Next, population is increasing, and also we want food grains also. Using this data, total 3-4 years past data using, we are saying this all. And we want fruits, we want medicine, okay, medicine. Now actually now coronavirus is there, for that we want how many medicines will be. Next, vaccine is coming, how much population is there, we want how many in that, kids how many are there. Next, elders how many. Next, old age members how many. In that normal population how much. Next, some diseases they have like BP, sugar and kidney failures. For them, how many are there? So these are all are saying we are using this probability in our life. Next, insurance companies calculate the probability of happening of an accident or casualty to determine the insurance performance. In LIC will be what they will say, now every month this much money, otherwise quarters month, for 3 months this much money, or for semi year like for 6 months this money you should give. After your 20 years or after your 30 years we will give this much money. And also middle, maybe risk happened, maybe accident happened, maybe anything happened, we will give this many lakhs. Okay, these are all for calculation. They are using this probability. Okay, next, an exit poll means see, now Indian government, now present BJP government happened in our Andhra Pradesh, YSR party happened before elections or after elections. Already already in central government also they decided BJP, in our state government also before only they decided YSRCP. Because of this exit poll only, they will ask few members and they will give some say for example, now what they are saying for this now they what they asked means, especially weight news also they asked, now opening schools are need or no need. They asked nearby 4.5 lakhs. They asked nearby 4.5 lakh people, and in that 4.5 lakh people, maximum elders, they given nearby 3,90,000. See, 4,50,000 they asked. In that 3,90,000 people, they voted like no need schools they voted. Nearby 1 lakh change, 1,75,000, these people they asked, they want schools. Maximum people they ask 3,90,000. They ask, these are all our exit polls. Because of this exit polls also we are using this probability. See, and also not only this exit polls, we want so clothes, clothes or medicine, or we want books. These are all are. Next, see, this in our society what is happening, what we want in future, next food, next fruits, next vegetables, these are all are, we want this probability. So an exit poll is taken after the election, the involving asking voted people to which party they have voted. This given an idea of winning chances of each candidate, and next predictions of made accordingly. Okay, say for playing any game, we are using this probability only. Any game, that is a not only normal game, that is a international game also, we are using this probability. By probability, before what happened, before 10 years, what happened, already worldwide, the biggest match is soccer. Soccer means like football. What happened means, in 2012 or 2008, I think, in that soccer match, what happened means, maybe Brazil or Mexico, two countries will be, two countries here, here like Brazil writing in one glass here, and Russia writing here also one glass will be, here also one glass will be, and one octopus they took that time. They took one octopus, and what they kept means that octopus they lived here. One octopus they lived here, and that octopus went, it shot on Brazil. That time what happened means Brazil won, and that octopus went, it shot on Russia. Russia won maximum 90 percentage. That time through the octopus only happened. So this probability we are using in our daily life, lot of we are using every day, every minute, compulsory we want this probability. Any game we are playing, any game, that is a cricket or carom board or tennis or badminton, chess, anything will be compulsory we want this probability. Okay, here this we discussed, these are all parts. Okay, we will discuss next class some problems. Thank you.